everyone, I am back. I went out of state recently and I was not able to film anything because I don't have a vlogging camera yet. But I am back and back on schedule, ready to film some videos and upload. And today I have a what I eat in a day video for you. Morning, baby. So beautiful. You're so precious. He loves his little doggy bed. So for breakfast, I tried making a chickpea omelet and it came out delicious. So I started off by sauteing some mushrooms, peppers, and onions, and I added some fresh garlic towards the end. And for the omelet, I added a half cup of chickpea flour, 2/3 cups of water, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a half teaspoon of black salt, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and then I just folded in the onion and pepper mixture. Now to cook these, I added a little bit of oil to a skillet and I just cooked the omelet on both sides until it was nice and golden brown. And you just want to add about 1/4 cup of the batter, like you would pancakes. These chickpea omelets smell absolutely amazing. Look at that. This is good. You have to try it for yourself. I'm serious. Even when I was cooking them, I made the house smell so good. This omelet is bomb. Seriously. Wow. I'm literally eating this entire thing. So good. Okay, I'm gonna finish this omelet. I already ate the first one and half of the second one, so I'm going to an outdoor shopping center / park area with my mom, my dad, and my dog Bat. Say hi, Batman. They have a Trader Joe's there, so might get some grocery shopping done. So I'm back and I did end up getting some things from Trader Joe's. I decided to have a nice juicy fruit salad before I do anything else. And some of these sun butter cups that I got from Trader Joe's. I actually made a review video of these and they're really good. So I am back. Just got out the shower. Now I'm going to shampoo my dog, then make dinner. I don't know what I'm gonna make yet, but
I kind of want something with potatoes in it. I just love potatoes. It's my favorite food. Bentley does not like getting shampooed at all. I'm going to give him an actual bath probably tomorrow, but until then I'm using this waterless shampoo. Waterless foam shampoo for dogs and cats.
So for dinner, I ended up making a teriyaki bowl. I normally make stuff like this, some veggies and some rice. I diced up 2 russet potatoes, then I added it to an aluminum pan. And now I'm adding some garlic powder, some black pepper, a little bit of chili powder, and a little bit of sea salt. I drizzled some oil on top. Now I'm mixing it all together, and I'm going to bake it at 425 for about 25 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown. Now I'm sauteing half a green pepper, some yellow onions, and some cremini mushrooms. I'm sauteing these in the pan, and I'm going to sprinkle some ground black pepper and garlic powder on top. And then once it's done cooking, I'm going to add about 5 small cloves of minced garlic. I'm heating up these leftover mixed veggies that I had in the freezer. I just added a little bit of water so it can cook down. Now I'm just going to assemble everything, and in the end I'm going to end up drizzling some sriracha and teriyaki sauce on top.
So that sums up today's video. That was everything that I ate today. I'm now about to go lounge and watch Netflix. Then I'm going to edit and upload this video, and I will see you all next time. Also, if you make any of these recipes, feel free to tag me at NomNomToFitness on Twitter and on Instagram. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.